Welcome to our channel. Today we are taking a trip to Margaritaville, Negril, Jamaica.
Make the rum and sugar, all the sugar.
The entire country? No. Yep.
Our day begins with drive from Thornton, St. Elizabeth to Negril, Westmoreland.
Those houses belong to them, the workers.
The friendly staff and vibrant atmosphere set the tone for a day of fun. As we got there, the beach's turquoise waters beckon us to relax and unwind. We had hoped to bask in the sun, sip on tropical cocktails, and let the island rhythms carry our worries away. But sadly, it was a rainy day. We didn't let that spoil the fun, though. We immerse ourselves in the Margaritaville vibe. While others simply float on the gentle currents, feeling the embrace of the ocean's warmth. We dive into the crystal clear waters and partake in a thrilling water sport. From water activities to beach games, there's no shortage of excitement at this beachfront oasis. Dragged on a floating duck across the waves by a boat, which was rather exciting. Leaving the shores behind, we venture off the beaten path to a river where the locals have made a daring tradition of jump diving into the invigorating, refreshing waters. The locals' laughter and excitement fill the air as we witness their daring jumps from the bridge into the river's cool embrace.
Tomorrow.
He's there.
At what time?
It's what I asked you, so I don't know.
This immersive experience offers a glimpse into their joyous way of life, where simplicity and nature coexist in harmony. The cold water invigorates our senses, reminding us of the simple pleasures that enrich our lives. Surrounded by cane fields and the soothing sound of flowing water, we took a moment to reconnect with nature's bounty.
Yeah. About that, what about the silicon? Hey! Holy fuck! Yo! The man better than the world.
As we wade into the cold water, we discover a sense of liberation that only nature's wonders can provide. These memories will linger forever. From the vibrant energy of Margaritaville Negril to the refreshing river adventure with the locals, it's an unforgettable journey of joy, laughter, and pure invigoration. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.